So, you're wondering how to exactly fix your Echo Show if it's not responding to your voice commands? Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, first things first is you may want to check the microphone and basically mute settings. Now, start by making sure your microphone isn't muted. So, if the mic button or mute icon is red, Alexa can't hear you. So, tap the mic button once to turn it back on and try a voice command again. Now, sometimes the wake word gets changed accidentally, so you may need to swipe down, then choose settings, then go to device options, then wake word. Now, confirm it's set to Alexa. Now, if it's different, either switch it back or use the current one when speaking. And also, you want to make sure tap to Alexa is off. So when tap to Alexa is turned on, your device expects you to touch input instead of voice. Now to fix that, you want to go and just swipe down, go to settings, go to accessibility, scroll down and just toggle tap to Alexa off. Now also, you may want to check your Wi-Fi connection. Now if Alexa still won't respond here, it might be a network issue. So you may need to move your router closer or we need to restart it. So poor internet can prevent your Echo Show from receiving commands properly or to making work properly. Now, also you may want to restart your Echo Show and reconnect Wi-Fi. Now you want to go and swipe down, go to settings, then go to network, and then choose turn off Wi-Fi. Now restore your Echo Show, then turn Wi-Fi back on. This refresh helps fix temporary connections or software bugs. And finally, you may want to update or reset your device. Now, you want to go to your settings, go to device options, and check for any pending updates. Install them if available. Now, if the issue continues, do a factory reset and set up your Echo Show again. This usually clears any deep software issues. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.